Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1969 Chevy Corvette 350 with 350 horse, Fathom Green, 3,400 miles since the restoration. It was a frame off restoration in 2022, so about a year ago. And again, this vehicle, we'll go through it. Just to want to show you the paint. Paint is in very good condition for this Fathom Green. As you can see, it's got the red line tires, rally wheels. They did add side pipes to the vehicle. A couple other items we'll go through that they added that are fairly nice upgrades. You will see it does have vintage air. As I mentioned, the 350 horse and 350. It also does have a Tach EFI, which certainly helps the drivability of the vehicle as well. You can see it does have power brakes. The lights do work. They go up and down. If you check our website out, you'll see additional pictures. We had it outside taking pictures, so you'll see the lights on. We will start it up and put it in the air, but we did want to show you just a few things before we go ahead and lift it up. Again, very nice 1969 Fathom Green. During the restoration, they did put a new luggage rack on it. As I mentioned, the headlights, there are new Halogen headlights, the new tires. The interior is all new as well. It is green, so you'll see new carpet, new seats. Again, very well done restoration. As I mentioned, we'll start it up here in a second, but it does have a rebuilt 350. Again, matching numbers. But one of the ads that you'll see as we go inside here, get ready to start it up for you, is when you look, it is a 5-speed. They put a Tremec 5-speed in it, which is a pretty nice addition for the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and start it up just so you can hear it. Make sure we're in neutral as we start it up here. Wait for the fuel injection. Go ahead and get it started. And it starts right up. You can see all the gauges. Sorry, it's a little dark. Let's see if I can get the phone out, get the flashlight for you. There you go. See it a little bit better. The clock is working. Oil pressure, battery. You can see the water tap. All the side is just as nice as the top. We'll go ahead and raise it up. And again, if you are interested, please visit our website for additional pictures, classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you are looking at financing, we do have finance partners that we work with, so we can finance this for you. If you need it shipped, we are able to ship worldwide, door to door. Kayla in our office, she does all our shipping for us, and she can get this shipped anywhere in the country and or world that you need. Just give us a call, 941-355-1955. Again, just bear with me as we get this in the air, and we'll go underneath it and see it. Again, as I mentioned, this was a frame off restoration, so when you look at the bottom of it, it is very nice. You'll see that it has a new gas tank. The frame is powder coated. Again, as we saw from the top, side pipes were added. You'll also see the Tremec 5-speed that was added. Great addition. We'll go underneath and look at it. New brake lines. So and just go and look at the vehicle here. All body mount hardware was replaced. You can see new shocks, AC Delco shocks. Frame looks to be in great shape. Floor pans are in great shape. There's the Tremec 5-speed we were talking about. You see the side pipes. Again, floor pans are in great shape. New brake lines. New fuel tank as well. Again, very well done. Very clean, 1969, 350 horse. Has the Tach fuel injection. They've added side pipes, Tremec 5-speed, and vintage air. Paint is in very good condition. As I mentioned, you see the red line tires with the rally wheels. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. If you'd like to see additional pictures or you have questions, please view our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com and or cleanclassics.com. Either one will take you there. We do have financing options, and again, if you need to ship this, Kayla, who works in our office, can ship this worldwide for you. We are open from Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, Saturdays, 10 to 2. We do have a 58,000 square foot indoor warehouse. All our vehicles are kept inside. You'll see several C2s, some new C8s, a C7, 69 Camaro, 396 SS, heavy Chevy. But again, wanted to focus today on this 1969 C3 Corvette in the Fathom Green. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Thank you very much.